Alright, here we go. Dodge Challenger. I'm going to go ahead and get it washed. Statement is going to get clean before I put on the new badges that we got just now. So it's going to be a perfect day to put them on and to make sure it's clean. We're just going to go ahead and get it washed. Really enjoy what this looks like after we get it done. So check that out. Here we go. Ready to go to the car wash. Yes, sir. All right, we'll be back. There it is. Got the badges on. I think I did this one pretty perfectly. In red, it really looks good. Over here, let's take a look at it. It's wonky. How's that look? It's a little high over here. Yeah, a little bit. It's okay. It's okay. I'll take it. Coming along.